Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on multiple different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Polygon MATIC and picking up where we left off in the previous Polygon video. Now, right now, there's quite a bit of things going on with Polygon at this moment because there's this recent pump that just came in and actually pumped above from where we were at within this wave one from our larger wave impulses. So the wave one actually started at the 52-week low of Polygon, where the price was around 31.5 cents in the middle of June, and then it went up and completed the wave one at a price around $1.05, $1.06, and that was in the middle of August. So then we saw some retracement within the price. Our subwaves, we had a ABC move, and then I'm saying at that point, the technicals don't say anything otherwise about the completion of that wave two. So assuming, of course, we completed the wave two, and actually we would confirm that we completed the wave two, but it's all a matter of, is from these larger impulses, have we completed the wave three, or are we still within the wave three? But it wouldn't really make sense given our wave one. But before we jump to the Fibonacci retracement, which the previous Fibonacci retracement, obviously, we broke out of. So looking at this now, what I want to really talk about is how this wave one was really, really having that resistance at a price that was very key for Polygon as well. Because if we were to look at where Polygon was at in 2021 on through the first quarter of 2022, that $1, a price above $1 was a price that Polygon was able to really bounce off of. It was a key level of support that if it was to bounce off that $1 price, then it would be able to go up to a price of $3. I mean, there was a really good price bounce that we had seen at Polygon within our 52-week high, and then after we had lost that $1 support with Polygon in the second quarter of this year, then that's how we got to our 52-week low that we had. So that was a very key price to break above, and that's why we're probably seeing this much larger price pump right now, is because we did break through that. And I'm sure that we actually also broke through some other key important things. Yeah, we broke above our 200-day moving average as well with that, and that's probably another reason why there was this much larger price movement, is we broke through not just that wave one, but that 200-day moving average, which was that resistance that we had there within our wave one, and also that key price that we were able to hold support at back through 2021. So a lot of big things actually going on here. So let's look at the Fibonacci retracement right now from our wave one completion to our wave two, and just dial that in with everything right now at this moment. So you can see how that has taken us up to around our 1.618 Fibonacci level from where we had just peaked. And are we going to be retracing from here within or our waves 4 and then 5 from here? Or is this still all part of the subwaves for wave 3? That's what we really need to be figuring out. So I'm sorry if it's going to be getting too busy here. So let's look at this, how this is going to play out for us. So if we were to say this is our wave 1, our wave 2, well, we'd have to say this is still our wave 3, because otherwise we'd have a very large wave 5 subwave, and that would end it much sooner than I thought it would, because I was really thinking the wave 3, of course, from the larger impulse would be much higher. So that would be our wave 3 subwave, and then pan out here a little bit. So yeah, if we were to see this play out a bit more here, then I would think that there could still be more for a wave 3 subwave to go up, I would say, as a possibility. Then we would come down for our wave 4, and then there might be that possibility for the wave 5 to take us somewhere up around $1.66, if that's the completion of the wave 3. I mean, there's still room for wave 3 to go up, and then there would be a higher price we can get to within our wave 5. So I would think that anything between the waves or the price of $1.66 or possibly even higher than that, being where the wave 3 could be going. $1.66 or $1.80 or more, $2 even for the wave 3 to complete from the larger impulse as something that could happen. And then as far as where we could be going within our wave 4 and 5 impulses, that could be a complete retracement from where we were at back in 2021. So a lot of big things actually going on here, a lot of key things. But of course, just ignore the waves 4 and 5 and the larger impulses. But let's just focus on these sub waves within the wave 3, as I think that would be something we need to be thinking about here first, and not get too far ahead of ourselves like some other people are doing right now. So yeah, I think that's something I want to run with. I think that this wave 3 is going to be completing somewhere around this area right here, either within where we're at, either within the 2.618 Fibonacci level, or within our 3.618 Fibonacci level. So somewhere between a price of 166 or $2, I think, could be a possibility for the wave 3 to complete. So let's go with that. Let's think that could be where things could be headed. And of course, let's not rule out that our wave 3 subwave is complete yet. Let's still assume that that's in play right now, because that could pump a little bit higher before we see more retracement. Because we are using the daily chart. If you were to switch this over to the 4-hour chart, you can see how much it has retraced, but it's still, I mean, anything can still happen, and we can still get a good price pump and extend that wave 3 subwave more. So anyways, we'll just leave it here for now. This is going to be very interesting to watch how things do play out. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated on what does happen. So expect another Polygon video from me most likely tomorrow. And for now, though, I'll be sure to keep you guys updated every single day with what happens to Bitcoin and Ethereum and other altcoins as well. So if you like content like this, if you like Polygon, you like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you like these larger cap cryptocurrencies, then please do consider subscribing. I do technical analysis on multiple cryptocurrencies every single day. And always Bitcoin and Ethereum are ones that I make sure I always cover. And I'll make sure I talk more about Polygon as well. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you guys for watching and listening. I'll just see you in the next one that's coming out right after this.